So let's say we want to change these numbers into percentages, the subjects here, because we can't just have them like that, or we can, but let's say we want to change them into percentages. So what we're going to do is that we're going to move all this information here, Control X. We're going to move that information one row below this one. So we're going to click on Isabel, and then we're going to paste. Yeah, so after moving them one row below like that, we can add a number here, because this is 55%, which means 55 over 100. So we're going to add a number here, 100, like that. And then this is the number that we're going to use, align center. We're going to use to multiply, or rather to divide these numbers with, because it's 55 over 100. So what you do in that situation, you click this number that you want to use as a divider, and then you Control C to copy it. Alternatively, you can just right click and say copy, and then we're going to highlight the numbers that we are going to divide with that number. Those are the numbers that we are going to divide with, this 100 here. And then we're going to Control Alt and V. Instead of the normal Control V, you press Control Alt and V. That is pasting special, or paste special. Control Alt and V, and then you will see the paste special dialog box, and then say divide, because we are dividing these numbers with this 100 here. And then press OK, and then now we have our numbers here. And then when you have the numbers now divided, because this is now 55 over 100, which is 0.55, we're going to highlight the same numbers and click on the percentage icon here. If you click on that, it's gonna give you 55%. What it does is that it automatically takes the number and multiplies it by 100. This percentage icon here. Now we have our percentages right there. But remember, this has affected the total, our total and average and all these numbers. So what we do, we Control C to highlight the number that we want to multiply. This time round it's multiply, because this was 626, and because we divided it by 100, we got 6.26. Yeah, so this number that we're going to use, we copy this number that we're going to use as a multiplier, and then we highlight all the numbers that we want to multiply. Control Alt and V, special paste, or paste special. This time round it's not divide, it's multiply. And then okay, we have our numbers back, and then we can highlight this average and then say decrease. Is it decrease to 2 decimal places? Maybe to, yeah, something like that. Then now we can create our chart and see how it comes up. So we highlight. Actually, you're gonna highlight this and say and press Control and highlight agriculture here. Control C. Click on sheet 7 and then paste like that. You see the percentages are showing up. Then increase the font size, increase the size of the column like that. Then insert. We can insert a donut chart, this one. Fantastic. And then we can come to the edge of the chart and increase the size like that. Click on the names there and increase the size. Click on one of the pieces there, right click and say add data labels. Click on one data label, go home and increase the font size. You see, now we can see the performance in percentages. Yeah, so that is how you change values into percentages in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Elkanah, and if you're interested in videos like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.